Hey guys, just wanted to show you another game dev update. For those of you who don't yet know, I am making a sandbox game. And yeah, it looks a lot like Minecraft, but it's not. So now, as you can see, I have textures. And these are the textures I quickly created last night in Photoshop. I'm not an artist, but I'm actually quite surprised how they turned out in the game. Now, I also updated my OpenGL shader to support random blocks. As you can see, textures are applied randomly. And as you can see, there's no design at all. But I actually think that I'm going to make the first level a park level. There's going to be trees like birches and cherry trees. So imagine all those leaves falling down and everything is just peaceful. I'm getting really close to designing that first small level. And I'm going to be showing you guys within the next few days. Now, the next huge feature is going to be the asset pack editor. So anybody can edit the textures themselves and even create their own blocks to place into the game. Now, I'm also thinking of creating like a marketplace where if you're a designer, you can create these asset packs and sell them. You get the profit. You can sell them to other players, but there's also going to be a default texture pack for the game. Now, there's going to be some exciting things coming up later this month, and I'm going to be showing you a lot more videos of my progress. If you like Minecraft and if you want to support my project, subscribe to my channel, like this video. I really don't care much for validation, but if you like this video, it's just going to help the algorithm. Other than that, I'll see you in my next update.